I don't know about you, but when I'm out camping, especially when I'm at primitive sites with my Boy Scout troop, I have trouble finding good flat surfaces to work on. Well, that's where this heavy-duty folding table from Mountain River comes in. Now, to be clear, this is not a backpacking table by any means. All packed up, this thing is 21 or 22 inches long and 7 or 8 inches wide and high. So you're probably not going to want to carry this too deep in the woods. But if you're at a local Boy Scout camp or state park that doesn't have tables to work on, this may be a good option. That's what I'm going to use mine for. Now, before we take this out of the bag and have a look at it, it is in a fairly heavy-duty canvas bag with a zipper on top. There's two ways to carry it. You can use the handle up here, or as you saw, I can use the adjustable shoulder strap. Inside the bag, there's two compartments. One holds the tabletop surface itself, and the other compartment holds the table base and the frame. Let's take it out and set it up. So first, I'll grab the table frame, and you can see this is just held together with a Velcro strap. You undo the strap, and then it just kind of pops out. Just like with Mountain River's camp chairs, we've got a heavy-duty base with cast aluminum legs and rubber feet. And then the uprights on the frame are extruded aluminum tubes with mounting points at the top. The table frame consists of 4 extruded aluminum sections which need to be clicked together. You can see there's sort of a male end and a female end. We just kind of slide those together and click them in place. And when you put these together, you want to make sure that these rubber grommets are both on the same side when you click everything together. Now I'll grab the 2 frame sections that I've just put together, and I'll line up the holes on the frames with the posts on the base. And then I just click those in place. Now I'll grab the tabletop and just lay this out on top of the frame. On each end of the table, there are 2 tabs that lock into the slots on the frame. So I'll just lift up the latches, align the tabs to the slot, and drop them in place. And then I'll do the same thing on the other end, and we're good to go. All set up, the table is about 33.5 inches long. It's about 22.5 inches wide, and it stands about 19.5 inches or so off the ground. So it's the perfect height to use while you're sitting in your camping chair. As you'd expect, this table is rugged and well built. Even on this uneven and slippery ground, the table feels stable and secure. In fact, I'll stand right up here on top of it and show you that it holds my weight with no problem at all. Packing the table up when you're done using it is just as easy as it was setting it up. I just lift up the latches on the sides and disengage the tabs from the slots. Then I just fold it up. And then once it's folded up, I just drop it back in its compartment in the carry bag. Next, I'll pop the frame rails off. I just have to hold the base down and pull straight up, and they come right out. And then undo the 2 sections, put them together, and put them back in the carry bag. To fold up the base, I just pull the pin at the bottom, and it kind of just folds back up. And then I use the Velcro to kind of wrap it up and keep it in place, and then drop it back in the bag. And that's it. We're good to go. If you want to learn more about this camping table from Mountain River, I will, of course, leave a link in the description below. If there's any discount codes I can pass on, I'll leave those there as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.